In this video, I'll show you how to root a Google Pixel using the Root Direct function in GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro. We'll also see what happens when the root online method isn't available and how you can generate a new root package that helps both you and the community. Let's get started. First, I'll download and install the latest version of GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro along with the required USB drivers. Once that's done, I'll connect my Pixel in ADB mode and enable OEM Unlocking from developer options. Now I'll click Read Info to verify that the device is detected correctly and to read its software information, including the current build number. Since the root process requires the matching firmware, I'll download the official factory firmware with the exact same build number from Google's official Pixel firmware page. After the download finishes, I'll extract the firmware to my desktop. Back in GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro, I'll select the extracted firmware folder. Normally, you can simply use root online, which downloads a pre-generated root package from the server. But in this case, the required root file isn't available yet, so the online method fails. No problem. Instead, I'll use root direct. The tool now starts processing the selected firmware automatically. Because my phone's bootloader is still locked, GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro automatically sends the bootloader unlock command and prompts me to confirm the unlock on the phone using the volume and power buttons. After I confirm the unlock, the tool continues the entire rooting process automatically. There's nothing else I need to do. In less than a minute, the phone is successfully rooted. Since this firmware wasn't already available on the online server, the tool now asks whether I'd like to upload the newly generated root package to help other users. I'll click OK. The upload only takes a few minutes, and once it's complete, this firmware is now available through the online root service. Now let's verify that everything worked as expected. Before testing, I'll delete the locally cached root files from the tool's root directory. This ensures the tool can't use any local files and must download the root package directly from the server. Now I'll click Root Online again. This time, GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro immediately detects the matching firmware, downloads the newly uploaded root package from the server, and roots the device within seconds. That confirms the upload was successful. So if Root Online isn't available for your firmware, simply download the matching official firmware, use Root Direct once, and optionally upload the generated root package to the server. This not only solves the problem for your own device, but also helps make Root Online available for everyone using the same firmware in the future.